Waka Janach. Hello, all. I am Zachariah Pleasant, but you can surely call me Zach for short. And I'm proud to say that every ounce of blood that runs through my veins is full Alaska Native. I am living in southwest Alaska in a small little town called Bethel, which is the primary source of travel by plane. And we have the major healthcare out here because there's only like one hospital around our 56 local villages. And we have two major big stores, AC and Swanson's, that provide food to the surrounding 56 villages that they have to reach to us by plane or boat. I am the fifth oldest human out of six other humans that are supposed to be my siblings, and I tease them all the time because I am a jokester. I also have a tendency to talk fast because I have a mild case of ADHD that I should probably get checked, and I do not want to take the medication. A little bit about me is that after this semester, I will be finishing up my sophomore year of college, and I'm eager to announce that I am seeking my degree in elementary special ed, and I've taken three educational classes: Introduction to Special Ed, Children Literacy, and Early Childhood Development, that were just truly enjoyable for me. And I appreciated the instructors and the professors, and they have taught me a lot of valuable, vital information that I cannot wait to replicate into my future classrooms. Some other things about me is that I am a one-to-one intensive needs aide, and I have a RTI, which is a reading time intervention class, and a small math class. And I would love to share pictures of y'all, but confidential reasons is going to post me back from that. But some other things about me is I am an elementary and junior high wrestling coach. I've been doing it for 5 years, and it eats up about 9 months of the year out of me. But I truly enjoy it because the kids are just crazy, and I'm just like a kid myself. So here's some pictures of my elementary team last year, and this is my junior high wrestling team. To the picture to the right is 2016 state champion over in Fairbanks at the Tanana Invitational. Picture to the right is 2017 runner-ups. Some other things that I do enjoy is the fast-paced, intensive adrenaline rush that feeds my ADHD, Ultimate Frisbee. Some other things I do like to do is I love to travel. I mainly love to travel to eat, drink beer, and watch football games. I've gone to about 8 different football games. I've gone to Denver. I've gone to Nashville. I've gone to Boston. I've gone to Indianapolis. I've gone to Cincinnati. I've even gone to Atlanta to watch football. Another thing that I do love to enjoy is I love to dress up as an elf and pass out presents during Christmas time with Santa. Another thing that I do love to do is I enjoy respecting our elders that I've been doing throughout my entire life, and I enjoy seeing their faces when I stock their freezers with moose, caribou, muskox, various different types of waterfowl, and abundant loads of fish. And here is our 2017 Chamai Dance Festival, where we pass down songs and dance from our ancestors from generation to generation. Here's a picture of the blueberries that we pick out over here. We pick salmon berries, blueberries, raspberries, cranberries, blackberries, and we all get that from the tundra. And here's me driving the boat with my feet, and yes indeed. And even though I am full Alaska Native, I enjoy expanding my breadth of knowledge of the many different types of other Alaska Native culturals because I enjoy learning how their cultural roots, values, beliefs, and social interactions differ from my Yupik way of living. And I believe that's one of the important roles of anthropology is to share our knowledge of how we live and have been living for ages and sharing that with other people.